Good morning, student. How are you? Student, look this question carefully. What is the question? Do the sums using expanded form. I will teach you today. Question is 2643 plus 1234. First we will start its place value. So write place value. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. From this we always read and write from the right side. Now we will start step 1. First we will write 2643. After this we have to write in expanded form. You see here how to do expanded form. To which place? 1000. Then we will write 1000. And 6 which place? 100. So we have to write 600. Next 4 which place? 10. Write 40. And 3 is on ones place. So it will write 3. Okay. Next number 1234. Now we will also write it in expanded form. Now we will write it in expanded form. Write as it is written. 1 which place? 1000. So we will write here 1000. Next 2 which place? 100. So here you have to write 200. Next 3 which place? Tens. So write here 30. And 4 is on ones place. So we will write 4. Okay, student. Now we will add it. You can see like this. We will start from ones place in expanded form. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. And here also add. Then both will be highlighted. This and this. This is one place. Next, step 2. We will write it like step 1. You can see that I have written here. In this also, we will add the expanded form first. I added ones place in step 1. Now, we will go to tens place in step 2. Go and we will also add it. 40 plus 30 is equal to 70. And here also add 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. And highlight both this and this tens place. Next, step 3. Now you can see that I have also written step 3 like this, step 1 and step 2. Now we will add the 100 place in expanded form. 600 plus 200 equal to 800. And here also add 100 place. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. And highlight it. This and this. Okay. Now we will start step 4. Step 4 has to be written in the same way as I have written in step 1, 2 and 3. Now we will go to 1000 place in step 4 and add both numbers. 2000 plus 1000 is equal to 3000. And here 2. We will add both numbers. 2 plus 1, 3 and highlight this 2. You can see how I have added this question to the expanded form. Now we have to write the answer for this. We have to look at the highlighted answer made in all 4 steps and write down. Okay. So in step 4, highlight answer 3000. Write 3000. Write down. And step 3, highlight answer 800. Write 800. In step 2, highlight answer 70. So we will write down 70. And last in step 1, highlight answer is 7. So write down 7. Now we have to write the answer below. 3000 plus 800 plus 70 plus 7 is equal to 3877. Okay student, understood this question? Now see this question again. In step 1, we solve the ones place. And in step 2, tens place. Next in step 3, 100. And in step 4, 1000 place. Okay student? Thank you.